first ever PR box. I have never gotten a PR package, and this one is BTS themed. So this is right up my alley, and it is by a company called Local Roots. Now, fun fact is every month they do a monthly snack box, but this is the first time they are doing a BTS themed one, and they gave me the first box ever. Like, it's the first time in my life that I am first. How special is that? I feel happy. I will brag about this. Anyway, two of my favorite things, food and BTS, and I am so excited to show you what's inside. So I will be tagging them in this post, but you can follow them on all of their socials over here. They are also doing a giveaway in collaboration with KSA, which ends on the 15th of May. Also, if you want to get the snack box as well, because it is Bangtan themed, and of course we will love that, food and Bangtan, come on guys. Anyway, the orders for the snack boxes will be cutting off on the 15th of May as well. Okay, let's take a look at what's inside. Also, keep in mind, everything is locally sourced. This is pure Mzansi magic. Oh my god! I'm so excited. Okay, so I am very chaotic, so apologies for my chaos. But when I see photo cards, first of all, I got a Yoongi. I got another Yoongi. Who told them that that's my other bias? Okay, I got a Namjoon. There's a Taeyang. And it's like naked Taeyang. This is naked Taeyang. I got Hobie. Bruh. I got Jin. I got Jungkook. No. This is just... Let me just take a moment to appreciate. I got a really awesome thank you note, when honestly I should be thanking them because food, bruh, and BTS. There's a really cool postcard as well. Dude, there's a lot of stuff inside. I'm so excited. You're kidding me. Ariran keyrings. There's all sorts of stickers inside. I see Taeyang. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, there's Jungkook. I got an army bomb. And this is the new one. Which I don't have yet. But at least I have a sticker of it now. So they thought of everything in a lot of details, and you'll see their posts on Instagram. Everything was inspired by BTS members. There's literally a bunch of snacks inside here, and you can just fill up your snack drawer at work and just enjoy it. It's got salty, it's got sweet, it's got some brownies, it's got some cookies. Oh my goodness, the way I love fudge. I am going to try this first. I mean, you've got to have cookies for Jungkook, right? And everything is really fresh and vacuum sealed. Like, if you feel that you live very far away from KZN and you're worried if everything's going to turn stale or it's not going to be fresh when you get it, it's going to be fresh. I'm going to show you right now. It's going to be fresh. Listen, one thing I do not play around with, it's food. So my theory is, if the brownie is a hit, right? If the brownie is fresh, you just know this is great. So I'm going to try it right now. Bruh, this tastes expensive. It's like a nutty chocolate brownie. It tastes expensive. It is fresh. There's nothing wrong with it. It is awesome. I can just say this tastes like Jungkook. I don't know how else to describe it, but this tastes like something Jungkook would be angrily eating. You know what I mean? And when he eats things angrily, it tastes good. Listen, I highly recommend you guys check them out because this is seriously good. Look at the giant chocolate pieces in this. Like, this is... Listen. This is good. I'm going to focus on this. Like, I want to eat every single thing right now, but let me just focus on my brownie. But go and check them out. This is amazing. It tastes really good. I'm in heaven. I'm in Bangtan food heaven. Just let me be.